Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today Duke will guide you on how to set up your live stream session. We'll go into this tool, click on this section and then select the content. Here the tool offers a lot of features. Can you see that? There are many features to change information and it even integrates all 4 Lucy features. We can input information here, then select the content we want, add it here, save it, and then we just need to get the link. We'll take the link from up here and put it in here. And then it will proceed to open each tab one by one in order. Here you are able to set up the languages you want, and then we simply hit start. After that, it will automatically open all of the tabs and will also automatically comment according to your specific needs and preferences. Remember that, everyone. You all can see this. Yeah, these are the fan pages currently in the fan line for viewing. See that, everyone? All the fan lines are currently in the fan line to automatically compose comments. That's for the fan lines we want. There you go. Now I'll go back to watch live right here. Here.
There are a lot of different types, including many various kinds.
The follows here. See that, everyone? They're being dropped continuously, non-stop for everyone. And the viewer count is also going up. See? So this tool helps us increase the viewer count a lot, non-stop. See? You can use this tool to find your target audience. You can use this tool to find your target audience by entering information about your business, products, or services.